Hey guys, so today we have this, the Cub Cadet CC 94M. Yep, we're back to this again. If you remember from the last video, this one up here, it didn't have drive in the rear wheels because it was missing a couple of parts. Now I thought it was the rear wheels that were incorrect for this mower, but it turns out it's actually missing some parts. So I did a quick search for this mower and found the parts that were missing and got them on order. So these are the two ratchet pawls. They'll be marked with an L and an R because there is a left and a right one. As you can see, the one on the right is marked L and the one on the left is marked R. Left-hand pawl part number and the right-hand pawl part number. These are original MTD parts and the shoulder screws. They look like this. And then I got a couple of hubcaps. The only thing I didn't realize that it was missing were the two nuts in the back, which not a big deal. They're just 1/4 so I can get those on with ones that I already have. All right, let's get to it. So we'll start here on the right side, and you can see how they would work. When the mower turns, it'll push into this and drive it forward when you engage the transmission. So it comes with a shoulder. Well, it doesn't come. We have to order the shoulder bolt. Goes through. On the back side, I got to put in the nut. Just going to lift and roll the mower forward a little bit. Or at least the wheel. So I can access the back side with my hands. The deck was in the way. Oh, gotta move it some more. All right, looks like I gotta go around the back. There. See if I can access it better now. Yep, I can access it just fine. Perfect. Can't see anything though. And I dropped my nut. I dropped it again. Try this one more time. Nope, I dropped the nut again. All right, let's turn this down just a tiny bit. Got it. There we go. That one's on. Let's get the next one. Oh, well, before I go, we'll get the hubcap on, but I'm going to get a 1/2 inch and tighten it down. Apparently I was wrong. It's not a 1/2 inch or 13 mil. I think it's a 9/16. 9/16 it is. Okay. That seems pretty good. Let's get the hubcap on. Hubcap's now on. Let's get the next side done. Perfect. Let's get the left side on now. Oops. Dropped it. Stupid hands. Same thing. Gotta roll the wheel back. Try to get it to the bottom. There we go. I got a light in the way now, so it's kind of dark on this side in comparison. Not for me to see. I still can't see anything. For you guys to see. I got it. First try that time. Wicked. Oh. Tighten it up. If I can get the wrench on it properly. Holding it with long needle nose in the back. And I think that's good. Perfect. And then we'll take it down and we'll give it a test. Right. Let's go give it a test. Hopefully it works because my kid is going to be on cloud 9. He's been wanting to see this thing run. All right, so let's take it down and see it run. Oh, he's been wanting to see it drive. Yes, that's the correct wording. He wants to see it drive. So let's get it down there and let's see it drive. Hey, look at that, guys. Look what I found. A red subscribe button. If you made it this far into the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. I love to read your comments, and I try to reply to as many of them as I can, especially the early ones. All right, guys, back to the video. Whew. All right, well, I have a peek at the oil first. Yeah, there's still plenty of oil. Okay, here's hoping it starts first pull like usual. Okay, here's hoping it starts first pull like usual. In a wide puff of smoke. I know why, it's because I kept tilting it forward. Awesome. That's going to be an interesting shot. Right, so does the drive work? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the drive's working. It's working well. Let's tighten it up a bit though. Perfect, much better. All right, well, what the heck? Let's cut a couple strips of grass. Oops, there we go. It's idling a little low, maybe a little too rich. I'll probably give that carburetor a run through. But I mean, it's running pretty good overall, other than it sounding like an old motorcycle. So that was a pretty straightforward fix. A couple of missing parts. Put it all on, and sure enough, the drive comes back. How about that? Not the greatest of drive, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, it is an MTD product, but it is nice having that drive on there. It does make a little bit of a difference. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, yes, I know what you're saying. I have to take the spark plug off. Well, right now it's a little warm. I know what I'll do. I'll go and I'll get the pliers. I'll be right back. Just hold it in the air right here for me. Thanks. Well, you almost held it in place well enough, but that's okay. Alright, let's try it this way. Alright, bye guys. Oh, maybe not. You guys can stick around a little bit longer and watch me struggle.